Hi, baby. Come on. She's a good girlie. Nice. This is Ethyl. She's a 2-year-old cocker who's just a sweetheart. We're going to take her out today on this warm day and give her a couple of birds, let her find some birds and go hunting for us. All right, darling? All right. Good job. Up, up, up. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Good. That's my girl. Good. Good. Okay. That's all you had to wait. But I want to go, Daddy. She got the clump of feathers and now she's working actually into the bird. That's my girl. Oh. What happened, Ethyl? What happened? You had it. Come on, Ethy. Hey, baby. Good dog. Yay, Ethyl. Yeah. Hi. Good girl. What a nice dog. Woo. That's it. Good. Good girl. Good job. Come on, baby.